Alright, so just trying out the 360-degree view on the camera. Have a bit of a muck around up in the bush and see what it comes out like. So go for a little bit of a run, see how I feel after getting over COVID. Probably not ideal to be out in the rain, but hey, gotta live, right? We're gonna have a bit of fun with the camera. How nice is this? How bloody nice. Who wouldn't want to be out in the bush on a rainy day? This is going to be one of the best spots in the woods, I reckon. Easy to get to, great to bring the kids to. Bloody beautiful. Everything's starting to green up nicely in here. Water's starting to flow. Just magic. Well, I might climb up that little bit of a hill there. Go for a bit of a wander along the trail. COVID. Oh yeah, after just recovering from COVID, this is the first time I've been out in the bush. Yeah, it's kind of wearing me out a bit. I'm not even a kilometre in. Yeah, well, it doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. It's a bird nest in the side of the Santeria. If you haven't guessed already, actually, I really like these trees. They're really cool. Actually got about 50 of them at home, but they're about that big. Right, gone off track a little bit, but alright, it's just down here. Nothing wrong with exploring off track once in a while. Alright, well, there we go. Just a quick little 5k up in the boys to see how the body's handling getting over COVID and see how the lungs do want to work. Still a bit of rest and work to do, but we'll get back to normal fitness levels and be ready for some big races. Oh, nearly died. Slippery steps. Yeah, we'll get back to fitness, get ready for some big races coming up and hopefully put COVID behind us. Anyway, it was a bit of fun playing around with the camera and see what it can do, and see you next time. Peace.